Kill the demons of my mind ever since you came around. How could I have been so blind? I just live a fast life, forget about the past.
Mission accomplished. Mysore Park from Mysore.
Only pass by, show up gone like strobe lights. With you I feel something real. And I walk a million miles just to see you smile till the day I die. Oh, I need you by my side. We get high on life till the day we die.
So the duration of this paddle boat is 30 minutes. Let me put it in a different way. It's 30 minutes of torture.
Day we die. High on life till the day we die.
So this episode I will be sharing my experience traveling with another person that I met in Jodhpur for just one day. So as you must have observed that as she walk in and as Shivani as well, I am like super solo traveler person. Like that's what I've been doing from the last 8-9 years. Like ever since I started traveling, it was mostly always, not mostly, it was always solo, except for 1 or 2 times where I traveled with my sister. Yeah, I met this person when I was doing the Rajasthan tour, I think in 2020-21, and this guy was from Hyderabad. He's from Hyderabad, and he's basically like a digital nomad. He is always traveling and always working while traveling, and he does it beautifully. Like he's always, literally always on the road, experiencing the most adventurous things at the same time, like really full power, working with his laptop all the time as well. So we connected in Jodhpur and we stayed in touch. So I observed that, not observed, like I saw him posting great adventurous things, and he was down south when I was there as well. So I was like, okay, let's plan something and let's do an adventure together. And he was up for it. So we decided to go to Mysore for a day and just explore the city, have Mysore Pak, which is one of the most famous sweet dish in Mysore, in all over India actually, but like in Mysore it's original, it's beautiful. Oh my god, Mysore Pak, you have to, if you go visit an Indian sweet store and you see something written as Mysore Pak, go for it, absolutely go for it, because it's just so delicious. So yeah, basically me and him, his name is Sai, decided to travel to Mysore. We went there, it was really nice. We did some adventure. We did adventure in the city, and then we went out of the city and we did some fun stuff in like backwaters and dam and boating and just like a lot of things. Scooty ride in rain and this and that. So something that I would not do by myself, because as a solo traveler there is also limitations that you you have to take care of, right? But when you're traveling with a person, you are slightly more confident. So yeah, I got the opportunity to be doing all those things with him in Mysore. And then when it was time to come back, he's like, okay Shivani, there's this sunflower fields not too far away from us, plus you don't have a tight schedule, so why not we go there and maybe we can also visit Ooty and come back in toy train, which is another experience, and just like extend this trip by 2 more nights. So I was like, okay, I'm up for it. So we went to the sunflower fields in Gundlupet, and it was beautiful. Oh my god, sunflower is my favorite flower of all time, and I always dreamt of going there. Like this year I was really googling places where I can go visit sunflower field, and I never shared it with anybody. And like one morning in Mysore, he's like, Shivani, there's sunflower fields, and I'm like, I didn't tell you that I really want to go there, and you're just like coming up with this. I love that, let's do it. And he's also like full on adventure, like saying yes to everything, no problem, we do it. We go to the bus, we go in the bus, we walk on the streets for 2 hours, no problem. So like full on adventure, which I am as well. So it was perfect. and the fields were beautiful. After that, we went to Ooty, and Ooty, oh my god, Ooty is again, so Mysore is still Karnataka, but Ooty is again Tamil Nadu. So I was really hopping from Tamil Nadu to Karnataka, back to Tamil Nadu, and going up to Karnataka again, coming back to Tamil Nadu. So yeah, it happened like that. And Ooty, oh my god, so it's a hill station. It's called Queen of Hills, and it's a beautiful little town in Tamil Nadu, which is like chilly. So everybody wears jackets. Like sitting up here north, we don't really think that down south it could be so cool and chilly. But Ooty is full on hill station where people wear jackets and warm caps and all of those things. And it's basically Shimla. I'm not kidding. So if you don't know Shimla, how Shimla looks, you can Google it. And Ooty just feels like that. Plus, Ooty is famous for its tea, chocolates, biscuits, and like a lot of bakery stuff. And it's so beautiful and perfect. Oh my god, Ooty I loved. I was only there for like, we reached Ooty at night, and we had to leave for like, we had to leave Ooty from the toy train to Coimbatore to go back to Bangalore. So it was a lot of traveling in 3 days, but it was fun. So yeah, I am going to go back to Ooty because I haven't really spent much time there, but it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's chilly. It's, oh my god, the food is amazing as well. The chai in Ooty was beautiful, and the snacks, vada was beautiful. Everything was beautiful. The people were really nice. Tamilians are also really nice, and Kannada people are also really, really nice. So, yeah, this is my little experience from traveling with a person I met in Jodhpur to Mysore and Ooty. And
Yes. Oh. Crazy.